Hey everyone, have your hair ready? Let's get into it. Make a bunch on the side section of their hair and create another bunch continuously at the bottom and make it bulbous by pinching them out. Repeat it up to the tip and make it go on the opposite side, secure it with a pin and have hair clutches. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and make a loop and make it go down, forming a twist, and grab some more even hair from the middle section and make it again. Then do the same in the bottom section of their hair. Now decorate with the lovely hair clutches in different colors. The remaining part of the hair, do the braiding in 3 parts. Have a beautiful ribbon on your hair and have a loop and make a twist and form a braid. Do it on the opposite side and make a braid in the bottom section of the hair and tie it. And with the remaining section of the ribbon, make a bow tie. Take your lovely hair clutcher collection and make a bunch and make a twist in a clockwise manner and securing the tips completely underneath the bun. Then choose one from your hair clutcher. Have a lovely ribbon in the middle section of their hair and grab the hair from the sides as well as from the back and tie along with the ribbon, making a lovely braid. Braid it all the way from top to bottom in a very thin manner and combine the braids at the back. Divide your hair into 2 sections, braid it and make it go on top as a loop. Then have a bow tie with the ribbon. Straighten your tail with a lovely bun maker and make a twist and make it sit on the top. Then have a circle shape by bending it down and completely covering with your hair. Securing with a rubber band, grab some section of hair from the bottom and attach a pair of hair clips at that side. Split your hair into 2 sections and on one section, braid it all the way from top to bottom and pinching it for some volume. Braid it on the opposite side and make it go across each other and sit on top of the ponytail. And have a loop on the ponytail, make a heart design and twist the ponytail's ends around it. Have a lovely hair bun of your choice. Make 5 bunches, being the middle one being the largest, and have some strip of hair from that and attach it to the ponytail on the side. Then secure with the rubber band. Do it on the opposite side as well. Split your hair into 2 sections from the sides and braid it all the way from top to bottom, but this time only pinch it on the right side for boosting a volume at that side. Then make the braids together go across each other on the opposite side and secure its position on both by using a hairpin and decorate with a hair clutcher. Thank you guys for watching this video.